back to my channel, Joe's Crafts and DIYs. For today's video, I will be making a flower arrangement for a very good friend of mine. It is her birthday and I can't really think of any other thing to give her. So I thought a simple flower arrangement, will work. And I hope she will like it. So let's do it. That one is 29. Wow, they're expensive. This is 17. This one is $17. $17. That one is 25. Okay guys, so this is what I got from the store this morning. I got these flowers for $10 and I found these flowers too. They still look very good. So, and they were on clearance for $2.49, so I grabbed them. So that's what I'm gonna be using. I have this flower vase sitting around. This was from my friend too, so I will just be using this one. I love that it's gold, and I know that her deck has gold decorations and stuff, so maybe she can just leave this flower arrangement at her deck. And I was digging through my craft packs. I found this ribbon, and since this was her theme for Christmas, apple green and gold, so this is a perfect color. I didn't even know that I still have this. This is a leftover ribbon from Ambriel's giveaways. I'm glad I found it. And let's start. So we have water and garbage. I want it not too long because my flower vase is short, so I'm just gonna make them short. I'm gonna put some plant food so it will last for a little bit. So let's just put all of them in there without arranging them yet. So we have that right now. Alright, leave shorter until it is well spread out. Shorter. A little shorter. A little bit more shorter. Let's get this in the middle. Okay, we have a white. I'll put that white right there. And we have yellow that we can put right there. That's the way it got. looks good. That's over there. There's a space because I'm gonna be putting something in there. Use this. So I collected messages from her parents and close friend. So I'm gonna make something out of these. I'm gonna make paper fans. To use the straw because I can fold them easy peasy. Just it's gonna stand like that. I could have done this the other way, but I'm just running out of time and I really need to get this done. So since we need to get this done, let's do it this way. Palangga, can you please give Mama some scotch tape? Let's tie that. And then she can just slide it. Come on. Scotch tape, please. Thank you. It's easy to slide it.
Can I be your assistant?
You can cut a scotch tape for Mama.
Hi.
No.
I'm my mommy's assistant. I'll get this
There you go. It sticks in there.
I need a drink. I need a drink.
I need to cut that.
I'm really cold.
She doesn't poke. There we go. I'm just gonna tape it. I could have used a rubber band, but I need to cut this with the stick so we don't get poke. So I have my messages from friends and these fans. I have barbecue stick, a straw. So let's put them in there.
I need your help transforming them.
She'll know it's for me because it's purple. I'm gonna just tape that. I tape it. I taped my letter. Open me. I'm gonna put it right about here. Alright. So there's my little flower arrangement for my friend with some paper fans that have messages in them. So that is all for today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you like this one, please give it a thumbs up. And for those of you guys that have not subscribed in my channel, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss my future videos. I hope I will see you again in my next videos. Bye!